In a quarter mile, make a U-turn at North Dick Road. Make a U-turn at North Dick Road.
I just smoked a fucking Focus ST.
Turn left onto North Vista Road, then turn left onto East Carlisle Avenue.
It's an F2
Turn left onto East Carlisle Avenue.
57 trim on 15 pounds. Right? You wouldn't think a probe would move like that, right?
Turn left onto North Bessie Road, then turn left onto East Jackson Avenue. Turn left onto East Jackson Avenue, then turn left onto North Vista Road. Turn left onto North Dale Road.
That dude's cool as fuck.
In 600 feet, turn left onto East Buckeye Avenue. Make a U-turn.
Fuck yeah, dude.
In 1,000 feet,
like those
continue
Focuses.
straight to
Those
stay
are
on East
badass
Trent Avenue.
cars. Is that the Focus ST? Yeah. What power are you making?
I'm about 291 to the wheels.
291?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm guessing I'm right about 270 to 300, so.
Yeah, dude, that thing's crazy.
Yeah, I made 220 wheel horse and 299 foot-pounds on the stock turbo and 13 pounds. I'm on a T04b 57 trim and 15 pounds with a bigger intercooler, more fuel, and a little bit more compression, so. Hell yeah, dude.
Dude, that thing, you wouldn't even expect that thing to do what it just did.
No, not at all. We were dead even. I like that, dude. That's badass. I'll see you later, man. That was awesome. I beat him the first time.
Turn left
I got
onto
mad
East
for
Buckeye
lagging
Avenue.
second on the second time, but I was catching him and we hit traffic.
Turn left onto East Grace Avenue. In 1,000 feet, turn left onto North Sargent Road.